how do I do my hair? Yeah, I don't know if it's correct. Yeah, in less than 5 minutes from very, very wet hair. Okay, of course, I have my Dyson. First, I will brush my hair. Ha? Teka lang. I'll show you how I do my hair. Very simple, you know, me naman, I don't have kaartihan sa katawan. You know, if you really want to, and I really believe people will say, oh, that's Dyson, that's expensive. But you know, it's worth it. Rather than going to the salon and paying every time, if I were you, just buy, especially if you always go to the party, okay? So, i-dry ko lang siya ng 1 minute. 1, 2, mga few, ano lang. Ganyan lang po ako pag nag-ano ng buhok ko. See? Guys, I will curl my hair. Wait. Okay, I think okay na to. Actually, I'm here in the living room. No, in our first room dito sa baba. Yeah, okay. Now, I'm going to curl my hair na kasi medyo damp na siya. Kasi dapat dito, normally naman talaga, you need to spray pa water para magdikit ang buhok. And the good thing with my, and of course, I need to change the head sa small lang, okay? Then, let's curl my hair up strong. Okay, just like that. Look. Look, guys. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. No? 10 seconds of hot and 5 seconds of cold. Para maano yung buhok mo. Ayan. See how I do my hair? Very quickly, very easy. The next is, dito na naman. Hindi po ako beautician. I'm just trying my best lang to do my hair by myself. Ayan. And then, after that, ayan, diba? Oh, saan ka makakita na pwede mo pa siya hawak-hawakan? Ayan. Isn't it amazing? Okay, and then next. Pag medyo basa pa kaya kanina buhok ko pala, okay? I'll do again. Here. Ganun lang yan kadali. Oh, look. Kabila naman. I'm not expert, no? Kaya, please bear with me. Hindi pa rin ako expert kahit na I've been doing this for like 4 years na. This is old. This is not new. See, that's what you get if you invest in a quality product. It will last, really. Because, you know, when I saw the price, I said, hindi to siya mahal for nothing. Of course, there is a reason behind bakit ang mahal niya. So, where can you find a curler na pwede mo siyang i-touch? Look, oh. Diba? Look. Look, how easy is that, diba, guys? See? How easy is that to have, and the curl will last for a day. Ayan. Okay, look. Isn't it amazing? My hair now, guys. So fast, so easy. I did my hair. Diba? Sa likod pa. How easy is that? Na nagagawa ko yung hair ko. Diba? Look. Oh. That's it. Pwede na guys, diba? For a new look for the day. Oh, bye-bye!